Guys, this is RM30, our 30th giveaway. I'm gonna quickly break down what it would cost to replicate this car. All right, let's start at the front with the exterior. I'm gonna use my cheat sheet because this is a huge book full of receipts. All right, so exterior, front bumper, rear bumpers, $1150. Headlights, taillights, they're all LED, $1,070. Glass, this includes all the glass. Everything you see in this car and seals, everything fully replaced, $4,017. That includes window trim as well. Hood hinges, $750. Miscellaneous things like door handles, badges, mirrors, fuel cap, all that stuff, $430. All right, the heart of the beast, engine and transmission. This is a Blueprint 426, brand new engine with a warranty. This is their builder series, so it came with the transmission, the front accessory drive, a Holley computer. That was $26,799. Full exhaust, including headers, mufflers, tailpipes, X-pipe, $1,368. Drive shaft, $413.52. Cooling system, that includes radiator, all the hoses, everything to keep the car cool, including electric fans, $1,237. Fuel system, everything from the tank, a lot of the plumbing, even the fuel pressure regulator, $791. Suspension, wheels and tires, all that good stuff. This is a full QA1 kit, front and rear, $8,588.95. Wheels and tires, American Racing Wheels, Falcon tires, $2,646.14. Brakes, big Wilwoods, front and rear, master cylinder, adjustable proportioning valve, $3,828.17. And then this car has a full chassis stiffening kit from US Car Tool, $693. Of course, finishing off the exterior, this beautiful Viper red paint job, full body work and paint, a couple of new sheet metal parts. This was give or take $20,000. All right, the interior was the surprising part for me. The list was long. Everything you see and touch in this thing has been replaced. So let's go over some of the bullet points. Vintage Air AC, $2,250. Dakota digital gauges, $1,135. The steering column with all the joints that it needed to hook up to the steering rack, $1,500. The steering wheel from Billet Specialties, $328.94. The seats I'm sitting in, $950 for the pair. The Hurst pistol grip shifter, can't go without that. That one was $460. Stereo, $500 for a retro sound stereo. All the interior panels have been replaced, including armrest, all the window cranks, door handles, $900. The rear seat, getting that upholstered to match the suede and leather for the front, $1,434. Center console, $370. Seat belts, $209. The pedal assembly, $399. Carpet and floor mats, $600. Dash trim, all the dash that you see has been replaced with all new stuff, $950. There's a lot we left out, but those are the touch points. We purchased this car in running, driving condition, pretty much complete for $60,000, and then we started to build from there. All right, the hard part to track is that we literally replaced every single nut and bolt on this car with real high quality stainless or grade 8 hardware. And then there's a ton of odds and ends that I'm forgetting. Starter, wiring, connectors, cables, plumbing, all that stuff adds up. So somewhere between $15,000 and $25,000 for those things. Okay, here's the tough part to wrap your mind around. We have about 2,000 hours building this car. Those are man hours. If you are talented enough to do that yourself, you can save a lot of money. If you do take this to a real high-end reputable shop, you're about $150 an hour. The quick math puts you at $300,000 in labor. All in, we are close to $450,000 in the 70 Charger, but we're gonna give it away to one lucky winner. So make sure you hit RestoMods.com, get your entries to win, and you could be driving this 1970 Dodge Charger with a 426 Hemi.